Okay, this is an interesting question from Reddit, and let's take a look at it. So what is to happen with this logo type? There should be this offset black outline around it, and this offset black outline has curves here. There are curves, and it's filled inside of everywhere here, and it's not filled in here. We're going to discuss a variant where this is filled as well, and then we have the next offset. So let's talk about this. This one is a compound path. Could also be text, but I have just drawn it with the blob brush. Now, in order to get there, of course, we need the appearance panel, which is here. Sorry for the German version. And we need an additional fill, which is going to be black, like this. And now we can go to Path, Offset Path, in the effects, of course. And this is going to happen. So we've got the offset path, and the offset is so large that it fills in all of this here. It doesn't fill in here because it's just not large enough. And what we have there are corners. So all of here are corners. And if we change that to curves, then still there are corners. So we need to get around that. And we can get around that by having another offset path effect. So let's go there again and add another one like this. And this is offset even more, which we do not want. And of course, we want a curve. And then we are going to reduce this. And if we are reducing it, then you see we get curves. So what you need to do is adjust both the values of both these effects so that you get the curve that you want and the offset that you want. So sometimes you would need to reduce the first one and then the second one, so whatever, adjust it. What you cannot directly influence is the radius of these curves. That just happens. Okay, like this. And then we get another blue offset. So let's take this and make a copy of it and make this blue like that. And in here, we've got both these offset paths, and then we can go in there and make one of these larger. And of course, it now depends on whether you want curves in here as well or not. It's not very clear in the template if there should be curves or not. So I'm just going to leave that. So now let's discuss how to fill this. And to fill that, we need to take a look at this. So what we can do here is use two Pathfinder effects. Let's go to Effect Pathfinder, and let's first use Divide. So Pathfinder Divide effect, which is now here, and it should be here. And we need to adjust something. So there is this setting, and we need to turn that off, like this. And then we need to add another one. Let's go to Effect Pathfinder and Add in here. And this needs to be in here as well. And then we can fill this like that.